What are fixed deposit savings accounts? A fixed deposit savings account, also known as an FD account, is a type of deposit account where you lock your funds for a fixed period and are given a fixed rate of interest for the agreed duration. Fixed deposits are a popular way for people to save money. Banks offer FD accounts in a variety of maturities, so you can choose the right one for you. Are fixed deposits better than a savings account? If you are planning to open a fixed deposit, it's important for you to understand how it works and what the benefits are. Fixed deposit is a great way to invest your money. It's the most popular form of savings. But remember that the interest you earn on a fixed deposit is taxable and it's locked for a fixed duration. Is fixed deposit a savings account? Most people don't realize that a fixed deposit account is also a type of savings account. They are an investment option offered by banks and financial institutions. The interest rate depends on the deposit tenure and the bank you are investing in. You can withdraw money from a fixed deposit before the maturity date, but you will have to pay a penalty to the bank, which will then lower your interest. What is the difference between savings account and fixed deposit account? A fixed deposit account is a type of savings account that gives you a higher interest rate on your savings than a regular savings account. This is because you agree to leave your money in the account for a specified period of time, usually between 6 months and 5 years. This type of account is a good alternative to a money market savings account, and they are popular in countries like India, Singapore, and Japan. Why use a fixed deposit savings account? One of the key reasons to use an FD account is that it allows us to earn a much higher interest rate than the traditional savings accounts. But the question that arises, is it really worth it? Opening a fixed deposit savings account is a great way to save money, but you need to be aware of the different types of fixed deposits and what they offer you in order to make the best decision. As their name clearly states, fixed deposit savings accounts are investment accounts that are used to earn a fixed amount of interest over a fixed period of time. They are also referred to as term deposits. Fixed deposits are a safe investment option, especially if you intend to invest for a longer period of time. It is a very popular choice among new investors who are just starting out. The positive aspect of investing your money in an FD is that you get a guaranteed return. But, you need to keep in mind that FDs are not the best option for someone who wants to grow their money. Some people even believe that a fixed deposit is more secure than a savings account because of its fixed tenure and the fact that it is insured by the government. Why use a fixed deposit savings calculator? The fixed deposit savings calculator shows you exactly how much you save with this kind of account. It makes forecasting your savings much more straightforward. It will also give you a clear picture of the power of personal savings. Who can open a fixed deposit savings account? You will need to open a regular savings account with the bank before you can open a FD account. Banks have certain requirements that you must meet before you can open a savings account with them. These requirements may include being a certain age, having a permanent address and social security number, along with a valid photo ID. If you do not meet all of these requirements, you may still be able to open a savings account depending on your circumstances. If you are still under 18, you may have to provide a parent or guardian's permission to open a savings account. You may also have to sign a contract stating that you understand the risks involved with the account. As interest rates differ from bank to bank, you should choose a bank whose interest rates are more favorable. It is also a good idea to choose a bank that is well known and has good ratings. You should also check the clauses and the penalties before opening the account. A fixed deposit account is an important part of your savings since it helps you achieve your financial goals. If you want to calculate your FD account savings, then check out the free fixed deposit savings calculator at calculatorsuite.com.